Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Well, we have one of my favorite companies here for all things fast, MRT. Here's the owner here. He's here to tell us a few things about some of their accessories and some of the products they have.
Awesome. Yeah,
Thanks for talking to us today.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for letting me be here. We're at Fountain Walk in Novi, Michigan with the Competition Corvette Club. Fabulous show. We're going to have some spectacular cars out here today. MRT is showing off a couple of our products. MRT's been around for about 20 years. Prior to that, our engineering team worked for the OEMs and product development and designing, testing, racing cars for almost 4 decades. So pretty deep roots in the performance side of the business. The focus of our company is on the customer who wants to do car performance, whether it is street performance, styling, sound, custom paint, or taking it to the track. Obviously the C8 Corvette, which is a spectacular platform to start with, we've thrown a little MRT magic dust on it. I color keyed the rear spoiler. I added some paint, color keyed paint on the rear diffuser to give it that real supercar look in the back of the car. And while we're at the back of the car, this is sporting our street race exhaust system, which is a straight through design, all 304 stainless steel, manufactured.
I absolutely love it. It sounds terrific. I get a lot of compliments.
It changes the fun to drive quite a bit in the car. You really feel like you are participating in it. The wide open throttle gear picks are exciting with some attitude in between the shifts. And then if you're in Z mode, the D-cell, getting the rev matching, you can really feel what the car is doing. It seems that the OEMs kind of are trying to separate man and machine, and I'm on the opposite side of that. I want to connect us.
Exactly. All right. Yeah. Hey. Well, thanks for taking the time to talk to us today. You guys got some awesome products. I have some on my vehicle too. Probably gonna be adding some more,
Awesome.
which we've talked about. So, hey, great company, guys. If you looking to do some upgrades to your car, definitely check out MRT.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, first and foremost, it's been a great day. Everybody give me some energy. Let's give it up for all these cars. Let me hear you, let me hear you, let me see you, let me feel you. That's what I want to hear. Thank you. Let's go, y'all. Now it's time. This is what y'all been waiting on, so let's get right into it, shall we? Number one, let's kick this thing off right the only way we can kick it off. You know, I understand everything's new school, but sometimes you got to take it back to the classics. So I'm going to start with the classics, 83 and older. So we're going to go with Armando Barbetta on the 1929 Ford Model A. Let's give it up for him. Come on up here, Armando. That's a bad boy right there. I like that. Come on up. What I want to ask everybody, all my winners to do, proceed right here. Have a photo op with your trophy and our president, because you will see this either in our newsletter or on our website. You're going to see your name up in lights. Congratulations. First place modified. Let me have the owner of the 2017 Corvette Grand Sport. His name is Lavelle. Lavelle, where you at? Let's go. With that pretty gray and yellow. Let's go. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Thank you. And for our number one place in stock, 2021 Corvette Z51, it is owned by Jimmy Cranford Jr. Jimmy, where are you at? Not you again. Come on up here, Jimmy. With that pretty car. That car was any pretty, I'd give it a call. I swear I would. Let's go.
Yay!
Right that way, sir. Yeah, you follow the money, follow the money, follow the money.
Oh yeah,
He told me to see you, buddy.
I got you.
Let's hear it for Jimmy one more time. Number one, first place. Let's go, Jimmy.
Thank you.
All right.